Lecture 14. Problem Solving Cycle. After learning this lecture, students will be able to define and identify the problem. Explain the problem-solving process. Explain the problem-solving cycle. Implement the problem-solving cycle on different problems. What is a problem? Hello kids! Today we're going to talk about problems. A problem is something that we want to change, or something tricky that needs a solution. For example, if you don't know where your lost toy is, well, that's a problem. When solving a problem, we ask questions like, what is happening? Where is it? Who can help me? By answering these questions, we can solve the problem step by step. How to solve a problem? Solving a problem is like playing a game. Here are 4 simple steps. Step 1. What is my problem? Think about what's bothering you. Step 2. Think of some solutions. Come up with different ideas to solve it. Step 3. What would happen if? Think carefully. Will your idea work? Will it make others happy? Step 4. Go for it. Choose your best solution and give it a try. Easy, right? These steps will help you with any problem you face. What is problem solving? Problem solving means looking at a problem, thinking about it, and finding the best solution. To solve problems, we need to learn to think carefully and smartly. These skills help us solve problems in real life and even on computers. By solving problems quickly and effectively, we can achieve great results. The problem-solving cycle. To solve any problem, we follow a simple cycle. Here's how it works. Define the problem. First, figure out what the problem is. Generate alternatives. Think of as many solutions as possible. Evaluate and select solutions. Pick the best solution. Implement the solution. Now put your idea into action. When you repeat these steps, solving problems becomes super easy. Example 1. Ant and the cookie. Let's see an example. Imagine an ant wants to move a big cookie to its anthill, but the cookie is too big. Define the problem. The cookie won't fit in the anthill. Generate alternatives. The ants decide to break the cookie into small pieces. Evaluate and select. They move the small pieces one by one. Implement the solution. Finally, they check if it worked. If not, they repeat the steps until the cookie fits perfectly. Example 2. Where to park the car. Here's another example. Suppose you're at a store and need to park the car. Define the problem. Where can you find a parking spot? Generate alternatives. You can park in the first spot or look for a safer one farther away. Evaluate and select. Enter the parking, find an empty slot and park. Check if the parking spot is safe. If not, repeat the steps to find a better one. Example 3. Maze game. Now, let's solve a maze. The goal is to reach the target without repeating a path. Define the problem. Find a path that's not repeated. Generate alternatives. Look for all possible paths. Evaluate and select. Choose the best and shortest path. Implement the solution. Draw the path and see if it works. If it doesn't, try again. Example 4. Sana's earnings. Here's a math example. Ali worked 20 hours and earned Rs 145.80. And Sana worked 15 hours and earned Rs 112.50. How much does Sana earn per hour? Define the problem. We need to find out how much Sana earns per hour. Generate alternatives. Divide the salary by hours worked. For Ali, Rs 145.80 divided by 20 is equals to Rs 7.29. And for Sana, Rs 112.50 divided by 15 is equals to Rs 7.50. Evaluate and select. Compare the amounts to check the difference. Implement the solution. Sana earns Rs 7.50 per hour, which is Rs 0.21 more than Ali. Problem solved! And there you have it, kids. Solving problems is all about following steps and using your brain to think of solutions. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep solving problems and have fun doing it. See you the next time.